Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's August 1st and it was brought to my attention that I forgot to do an update video. So let's get into it. A while back we planted some leggy jalapeno plants. They was really leggy, and I was going to do a follow-up because I wanted to encourage you, don't throw out your leggy plants. But anyway, these were Cayennes. They were really leggy. I'd planted a seed and I didn't get them out, and they were about 18 inches tall or something. They were some really leggy plants. Maybe not quite 18, but pretty close. And I put these in. But anyway, as you can see, these plants now are about 3.5 foot or so tall. They're loaded up with peppers. Just all the way down here, we've got all kinds of cayenne peppers. Now, some of these plants are just a little shorter. These, about 2.5 foot here. So, but some of them are a little taller, getting close to 4 foot. So, but anyway, that's what I wanted to address as far as these leggy plants. When you plant them, don't listen to those people say to throw them out. I'd have never threw mine out, and as you can see, because I didn't, I have an excellent crop of them. Also, let's talk about basil while I'm out here. Now, I just give this stuff a big haircut. Now, I've been harvesting some, taking it to the farmer's market, and where I harvest it, you can see it's coming back good. It's good 2 foot tall or so, a little taller. But I come back in here, I had a whole lot of it going to seed. Now when it starts going to seed, the flavor changes on it. So what I did was just come in here and I just butchered these plants. Now the new growth will come out of here and it'll be really nice. It'll be just like these others. These have been where I've cut it off like that and took it to the market. But anyway, I figured I'd throw a little extra in there. But if you're wondering, like one of the followers of this channel, what happened to the Cayennes? They took off and they made mucho chilies. So anyway, if you want to see more of my videos, just hit that subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified. Give it a big thumbs up and share this video. Happy gardening.